Morning, dear. Today, complete solving exercises about multiplication and division of signed number. Let's start by exercise 12, page 117. Given x equal minus 1.25 and y equal minus 0.8. The question is, calculate x times y. The first step is to replace x by minus 1.5 and y by minus 0.8, and don't forget to write the parentheses, okay, in order to avoid writing two signs next to each other. Now, how to multiply two signed numbers? First, start sign by sign, minus minus, same sign, so it would be plus. 1.25 times 0.8 is 1, so the whole result is 1. What can you say about the two numbers? As I told you before, the product of two numbers that give 1 are said to be inverse or reciprocal. Okay, you should memorize these terms. The inverse of 2, for example, is 1 over 2. 9, 1 over 9. The inverse or reciprocal of 3 over 4 is 4 over 3. Okay, the two numbers are inverse or reciprocal if we multiply them by each other, and the answer is 1. Now exercise 15. Calculate plus 7 divided by plus 7. During multiplication or division, first start sign by sign. The same sign, plus plus, it means a plus. And then number by number, 7 divided by 7 is 1. Now plus 7 divided by minus 7. Start by the signs plus minus, so it's minus. 7 divided by 7 is 1. Minus 7 divided by plus 7. Start with the signs minus plus, it means minus, and 7 divided by 7 is 1. H equal minus 7 divided by minus 7. Start with the signs minus minus, it means plus. Look honey, in this exercise, in all parts we have 7 divided by 7, but the difference between them is the sign that is written in front. In E and H we have the same sign, plus 7 or minus 7 minus 7, the same sign, so the answers of E and H are positive. While F and G, they have opposite signs, plus, minus, and minus, plus, so the result will be negative. Okay? Now, exercise 16. Calculate the products. Minus 10 divided by plus 4. Minus plus, it means minus, and 10 divided by 4 is 2.5. Start by sign, then number by number. Keep in your mind, if you have the same sign, plus plus or minus minus, the result is positive. If you have opposite signs, minus plus or plus minus, the answer is negative. Now, plus 3.9 divided by minus 2.6. The signs plus minus, so it's minus. 3.9 divided by 2.6 is 1.5. Okay, minus 16.4 divided by minus 8. Minus minus, it means plus. And 16.4 divided by 8 is 2.05. Minus 1 divided by 0 plus 0.16. The sign by sign, so minus plus, it's minus, and 1 divided by 0.16 is 6.25. Again, the same idea is repeated in this exercise. If we have an odd number of negative signs, for example here, 1, so the result will be negative. If in K we have even number of opposite signs, minus minus, this negative sign or minus sign is repeated 2 times, so the answer should be positive. Even number of minuses, then the answer is positive. While if we have odd number of minus sign, then the answer will be negative. Exercise 17. Look, honey, all of these exercises that we are solving now are so easy. You can check your answer by using your calculator, okay? Here, we consider the number a equal minus 8 and b equal minus 5. Calculate a plus b. Let's start by replacing a by minus 8 as given and b by minus 5, and always write them inside parentheses. So minus 8 plus minus 5, it's minus 5. Now minus 8 minus 5 is minus 13. A minus b, it means minus 8 minus minus 5. So it's written as minus 8 plus 5. So it's minus 3. Why it's a plus here? Since we have minus minus. Okay, two negative signs multiplied by each other. A times b, so minus 8 times minus 5, the sign by sign, minus minus plus, and 8 times 5 is 40. A divided by b, minus 8 divided by minus 5, again minus minus plus, and a divided by 5 is 1.6. Now, determine the sign of each of the following product. Again, if we had odd number of negative sign, odd means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then the product will be negative. If we have an even number of negative signs, even mean 2, 4, 6, 8, and so on, then the answer would be positive. Here, determine the sign. We don't have to calculate the final answer, only the sign. Let's start by A. Minus 12 times plus 1.5 times minus 8 times plus 7.5 times minus 9 times minus 1. Okay, let's check up. How many negative signs do we have here? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4 negative numbers. 4 is an even number. So the result will definitely be positive. Why? Here, let's check them. Minus minus plus. Their answer is plus minus, which is minus. Then minus with a plus is plus. So the answer is positive. You can think in different ways, and all the correct ways will lead you to the same answer. Part B. How many negative signs do we have here? 1, 2, 3. So 3 is an odd number. We have odd number of negative signs, so the number should definitely be negative. Now part C. How many negative signs? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 negative signs, and 5 is an odd number, so definitely our answer would be negative. Part D, the last part. Minus 11. Okay, no need to read all these numbers. Let's find how many negative numbers do we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 negative signs multiplied by each other. They are 6 is an even number, so our answer should be positive. Okay, it's so easy, but please pay attention well. Now you have to write these exercises on your classwork copybook. Thanks for your attention. Take care of yourselves. Bye bye.